Oh, hello! Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Good morning everyone. We're here at Wathba South. Oh, I'm not sure exactly the location, guys, but I will put the link of the location on my description, guys. Look at this. We're here at Poseidon's Abu Dhabi. One of first attraction here in Abu Dhabi, guys. Look at that big Poseidon's guy at my back. Oh, some people are climbing on that Poseidon's, guys, but make it sure be safe, be careful. Much better to be safe, guys, so don't climb if you can, but I tried to climb it. My workmate, my flatmate, that is Francis. The other one is Julius, my workmate too, and we're here at Abu Dhabi, exactly in the fossil zones. What? I've never seen this before. That's why I'm very surprised. Francis never told us that we're coming to this area, guys. That's why exactly surprised. Surprised, so fascinating the place, guys. The area, the views, so sensational. Yeah, that is exactly a definition of what I saw in this place, guys. You know, at that back of that Poseidon's, guys, there's a people over there. There's a people over there. They're singing happy birthday. I think there's a birthday celebration over there, guys. I hear they're singing, okay? And one is sand, like this, like the wind swept the sand and swept by the wind, okay? And then forming a different layer, and then we become rock, and maybe a decade become rock and forming a different layer. And solid rock, like a small mountain. And I told you there's people are climbing, and look at this fossil dunes, guys. I touched it. Some parts are fragile, guys, so be careful if you have to climb it, guys. And they have to preserve this kind of abstract art by the nature. So sensational. The place is so sensational. I've never been here and never seen like this. That's why I'm amazed. And look at that. If you want to come and visit with this place, guys, make it sure you bring your own car, or you borrow a car or you rent a car, because the place is, there's no entrance fee and there's no parking fee. You can park your car anywhere and make it sure don't block their way. And guys, if you want to come and visit again, make it sure you bring your own food. Oh, water, there's no water there, guys, so there's no store, there's no cafeteria. And so you bring your tent if you can, if you want to spend a lot of time there, if you want to spend an hour, okay, if you want to stay until the evening, much better. And if you want to come there, like don't come summer, that is my advice, because it's so hot. It's a Middle East, guys, you know. I think much better not a summer, so winter much better, like December or or afternoon. I think it's better you come and visit there. The location is like 45 minutes from the city. I'm not sure, but I think it's 45 minutes from the city. It's not too far if you have car. Guys, if you come and visit this place, make sure you bring your own waste bag and don't throw your waste anywhere. Put it in your own waste bag and throw it in the designation waste area, guys, okay? Because I found there, oh, there's a fossil, guys. I like the form. I like the different layer, and there's the tiny holes. I like it. So never seen this before, guys. They call it fossil zones, and I like the place. I don't know, I'm happy. I'm here excited to, I'm very excited to vlog this one, guys. I found there, again, there's a lot of cigarettes and scattered, you know, the filter of cigarettes and the cans, the cups and plastic bags. They throw it anywhere, and make sure put in the be responsible if you come there. Don't throw it your waste anywhere, and put it in your waste own bag and throw it in this designation area. They have to preserve this kind of views. I like the art views by the nature. They have to preserve. Be responsible if you have to come and visit with this place. I recommend to visit because it's sensational views. I told you repeatedly. And yeah, look at this cup, guys. Don't throw anywhere if you can visit. Please be responsible. I like the views. And there's a lot of camel, guys. If you like walking, go nearest to that camel. There's a lot of camels over there. But I'm focusing on this fossil dolls, guys. I'm very honest. I told you repeatedly. Guys, please continue watching with this video, guys. I don't know what to say exactly, but what's this video, guys? Okay. Hello guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and make it sure click that bell notification so inspired me to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. And again, please continue watching, guys. here we found along in the desert road, a little bit far in Oseldon's place, and look at that. There are bin doors. They're selling a different kind of birds like doves, pigeons. Look at that. A lot of different kind of birds like doves, pigeons, ducks, pato, and look at that pabo, turkeys. Yeah, they're sailing. We found it here, and they're in not a little bit far in the Bottle Downs area. Okay. If you want, you can buy that still alive birds.